beautiful. You see that? Just serve this up with your favorite ice cream and just dig in. And there you go, how to make your very own condensed milk cake in your air fryer in less than 30 minutes. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So as seen in the title, we're going to be making some condensed milk cake, right? And we're going to be doing this in the air fryer. So stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. We have here some milk. We have some oil. We have vanilla extract. We have baking powder and soda. We have condensed milk. We have powdered sugar or icing sugar. And we have some flour. And this is going to give us our condensed milk cake. And we're going to be doing this in the air fryer. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to kickstart this recipe with, of course, the condensed milk, the star of the show. And don't worry about the amount. I'm going to leave it in the description so you can just copy the recipe. I'm going to go in with some almond milk. You can use regular cow's milk if that's what you have. Vegetable oil. So lastly, after the liquid ingredients, you're going to go in with some vanilla extract. Give this a whisk to properly combine everything. Once we have everything mixed, we're going to go in with our sift. We're going to add flour, powdered sugar, baking soda and powder. And we're just going to sift that in. And we'll do this to remove all the excess lumps that we may have in here. And while we're sifting it, we're incorporating the baking soda, the sugar, and the baking powder all together. We're not going to be using egg for this recipe. Neither will we be using any salt, right? And then we're just going to mix to incorporate everything until we get a nice runny butter consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. Here we go. So we have here a baking tin. That's not the prettiest. I have a little bit of oil remaining. Just gonna go in. Grab a pastry brush and mix that around. And this is gonna help us to not stick to the pan when we're taking this out, right? And we're gonna go in with our butter. Beauty. A quick little dessert you're having dinner, you want to whip up something real quick and easy, especially if you have condensed milk at home. Pretty sure you can find all these staples in your house. The only thing I think a lot of persons do not normally keep on hand is the powdered sugar, right? You can use the granulated sugar. Just mix that out when you're adding the liquid ingredients and you should be good to go. Give that a tap. Go right in our air fryer. So there you go, nice and thick. And as I said, we're going to bake this in the air fryer for about 25 minutes on 340.
Bro, I'm coming to you so I can get some of this. It's insane, okay, bro.
Timer has gone off. I'm going to check now. Holy, look at that. Beautiful, in under 25 minutes and we're good to go. Here we go. Here we go, nice and warm. Look at that, beautiful, nice texture, spongy. And look at that, nice and clean, beautiful texture, nice and golden, all done in our air fryer. I'm going to serve that up with a scoop of ice cream. Beautiful. You see that? You serve this up with your favorite ice cream and just dig in. And there you go. How to make your very own condensed milk cake in your air fryer in less than 30 minutes. Beautiful. Oh my days. First spoon is yours. Take a bite. Nice and hot. Of course, you can let this cool down. Leave a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.